The area enclosed between the curves y equals root x, y equals 6 minus x, which is actually a line, and the x-axis is revolved about the y-axis. Find the volume of the solid formed. So, to get a sketch of what we're looking at here, let's draw some axes. And then y equals root x. Well, root x we know is shaped like this. And then 6 minus x would be a line that comes down like so. What we really want to know is the point of intersection, because it looks like we're going to add two volumes together, like so. So, we have root x is equal to 6 minus x. That's because both of these say y equals, so let's put them equal to each other. So that gives me x plus root x, take away 6 is equal to 0. So let's let x be equal to t squared. That then becomes t squared plus t, take away 6, is equal to 0. So we can factorize this quadratic. It's going to be t plus 3, t take away 2. Now this one here, I think, does not apply. Even though it will give us a positive x value, I don't think that they intersect over here where x is equal to 9. I think it's going to be this one. And so that would give us that x is equal to 4. And that means since y is 6 minus x, that this happens at 2. If we'd used the x equals 9, that means that they would have intersected at 6 take away 9, which is negative 3. And so we'd say they intersect down there, but the root x doesn't exist down there. So that's not possible. It would be over this way, wouldn't it? Because this one is at 6. Okay. Let's proceed with the situation that we've decided upon. So, remember that rotating around the y-axis, we get pi times the integral of x squared dy. So we're going to have pi times the integral from 0 to 2. Now here it's bounded by the root x. So if y is equal to root x, y squared equals x, y to the 4 is x squared. So this will be y to the 4 dy. But then we've got the other bit. Now, y is equal to 6 minus x, which means x is equal to 6 minus y. So x squared is 6 minus y squared. So in here we're going to have 36, take away 12y, plus y squared dy. And that is going to go from 2 up to 6, which is the intercept just there. Okay, so we get pi times y to the 5 over 5 from 0 to 2 plus pi 36y, take away 6y squared plus y cubed on 3 from 2 to 6. So this one is going to give me 32 pi on 5. And then we have pi. Now using the top limit, 36 times 6 is 216. Take away 6 times 6 squared. Well, that's also 216. And then plus 216 on 3. And then take away 36 times 2, 72. Take away 6 times 4, which is 24, plus 8 on 3. And calculating that, we've got 32 pi on 5. And then over here we've got 416. No, sorry. It's the final answer gives me that. This one is 64 on 3 pi. And if we add those together, that's where I got the 416 from. 416 pi on 15 cubic units.